Today very prime news highlight from SNH from Singapore. SPTel and IVO technology partner to expand wireless alert alarm system initiative across Singapore. SPTel and IVO Technology, IVO, today announced their partnership to support the expansion of the Wireless Alert Alarm System (AAS) initiative, extending emergency assistance to seniors in public rental flats across Singapore. Thus deployment marks the first use of SPTel's island-wide LoRaWAN network to facilitate emergency assistance, and builds on IVO's successful wireless AAS pilot in 2019. The wireless AAS allows seniors to receive timely assistance during emergencies through alert buttons in their homes that connect to a 24/7 emergency hotline. To ensure reliable and resilient connectivity, SPTel will provide its island-wide LoRaWAN-powered sensor network, multi-network SIM solution and IoT as a service (IoT AAS) platform, while IVO will provide the alert buttons. Our sensor network infrastructure, IoT platform and multi-network SIM solutions are designed to enable IoT applications to scale securely, rapidly and cost-effectively. We are pleased to partner IVO on this project, contributing our network coverage and IoT solutions to this meaningful initiative to enhance support for our seniors. We look forward to supporting more initiatives that drive meaningful impact for our communities, said Titus Yong, CEO of SPTel. We are excited to partner with SPTel to expand the reach of our proven age tech solutions like the AAS initiative and our alert button to more seniors across Singapore. With Singapore set to become a super-aged society by 2026, the urgency to ensure seniors can age safely and independently at home has never been greater, said Jay Riao Chen, Senior VP of IVO Technology. SPTel will be providing its suite of IoT infrastructure solutions to support the deployment, including island-wide sensor network powered by LoRaWAN that enables large-scale deployment of the wireless alert devices, with long-range data transmission and low power consumption that support battery life, allowing IoT devices to operate for up to 5 years without the need for replacement. A more efficient and cost-effective option for low data transmission use cases compared to 4G, 5G and Wi-Fi. The LoRaWAN gateways are also solar-powered, supporting more sustainable digitalization for businesses in Singapore. This makes it an ideal solution for the AAS deployment as well as other IoT applications such as tree tilt monitoring, environmental monitoring and rodent monitoring systems. IoT AAS platform is a multi-protocol, application-agnostic platform that connects and integrates the wireless alert devices for consolidated management. Delivering end-to-end services such as data processing and application hosting, the subscription-based platform removes the need for upfront infrastructure investment, accelerating deployment. It also lays the groundwork for future integration of other sensors and IoT devices across various smart city applications. Multi-network SIM supporting the LoRaWAN sensor network ensures vital, uninterrupted connectivity during emergencies by connecting the sensor network to all 3 major mobile networks in Singapore.